see the picture one I put for here. Almost how far. This picture so now what big you are. Almost what. What it make this mama Kevin belly big? When you nearly do a good dance for your head, all of the attack where nyawa, the belly of the big pass that one. Rita is my friend. What do you expect me to say? Without be told, when marry me, I'm of your table, me at Tibia. When I have done of your table, or when not give a breme, shit, and not enough to go breme again. Because we'll not be friends. Me and Rita will be friends. Congratulations, you have been there. When the fair brother Bogwa, yes. Or Maswo, I put it to you again. Who may fair brother Bogwa. A fair brother, be a Kevin Vabi. None of me aware, who moment him were calling ye Kevin. Well, that's we have with Rita no ya Morgan. Rita don't that or Morgan in there and even fair broad. You should be happy. Say Rita can't talk about fair broad. No, we're making that Gualeven who are here with ye Kevin. You dey call Rita homeless presenter, but oya abiomea abiomene. Omozwo, you will be prickless presenter. You supposed to do operation for your prick. Share this video, give me love and like. You dey laugh woman when you don't go do fibro successfully, she came back alive. You will get small prick of 2 months. Prick of 2 months, 2 months prick. Not be saying a person tell us. Now you use your hand to weigh your bola for us to see. Ukioma cook bola, ekia no kama. Are you okay or something? Or Maswo, are you okay or something? When not get balu, the next one you come on social media, call the phone, say, nothing happened to you. Now I'm making that get away. Rita went for checkup, found out that she has fibroid, and the operation took place immediately. You wait need operation for your prick. Mama Kevin, where you call your wife. Where don't born for 3 different men, before different men. No more spermatozoa and Emma. Ona do away papa. Umete when wayaki and ye Kevin, no me na bi ovioma abi bagmo. And I have one more. Kevin is not your son. Oh, big boy, be Kevin. Oh, yeah, don't be a okpa. Oh, yeah, don't be a girl no way. You need the pressure for your prick. Don't make time away, make time away now. I'm going to mass of way. Rita, say, yeah, we fair broad. My people, my journey of fair broad, how it you for you to the happy. Yeah, Kevin, see person you thought say better pass my wife. No, see person. God want or mass, God forbid. Muye Kevin me with 10 million naira with Italian passport imu. Hey, de na. You see young girl married now you don't marry. My wife, you say infection pekus, name pekus, but he use and born 4 children for 1 man. Here Kevin will not be infection pekus. Now different men. Now here Kevin go born for. At the end of the day, waiting all men don't couple, waiting all men don't reject. You carry her from there. A desperado woman. A woman where you use the pikin because they look for your hand in marriage. Or what money here? Where I want to tell you, where we were Davido, he doing marriage now. That day, that's why he come out. Davido doing marriage small. He not large. He a big boss Yahweh. How far now? You not consider Davido marriage shock the whole world. No, I mean where over I can't with the India. If you work out for the whole of Facebook day for yesterday, now trauma Davido, chivido, Araberry. Ogo Boa was we Babola. You they use this thing till they compare Rita or my wife, Uzuo. Ogo Bera. I don't go be you and Ogune. You are Babola. All I see Momo. We don't get another way a surgery carry. As big as you are, your prick be like 2-month-old baby. What do you want to tell us who no about you? Well, I don't know Azure. Anyway, Baba with this man. Baba with this man on mechanic. Baba with this man, they can't get 2 months old. As the Baba want to live a fake life. Is this not fake life? Who you ever brought your woman more co? Ona fake life ya. Na wa bo wa gbo mo so ni babo lawe gbe. No go gbo e we bi e. Almost when you dey forbid to born. Rita get fibroid, yes. Oyari move Elena, she's fine now, yes. What about you? What make this woman whole belly like this? Not be pregnant to make the whole belly like this. Is she pregnant? Yeah. When my fibroid go what you no ya moga ine. Oji akere kan ya moji en. Wow, wa me babo lara bi egbe won gbera. Wisdom, you are blocked away from here. Mugu. Nonsense. Share this video. Toss up this video. Give me love and like. What are you? See person. Now you say me that you read back balloon. I read back balloon. I read back balloon. The day when people for his house not get fibros. No, you not get. Why? Not get. Wait, get fibros. Almost what? The day when you put for his house not get fibros. Why your belly come big? Why your if the day belly big like this? You not get fibros. Okay, fine. I agree. All we done. But why this woman belly big? What's the question you na wana mo ila lagbe? Wore ko no da yina. Agize ya bully e. Mebe do priest gize gbegbe. Ona do da yi anwa. February oya mo picture na. Oya ta gun anwa abi March. Ejuma ye na maye sege ne ko ya yo. O maye sege ne ko ya yo ni babo lawe gbe. Uve February wowa, a manager February gweruwa. Uriogo, uwe, egbegbe. You dey make love to woman to according to you, but we don't know the prick where they make the love. Except say na two prick na I get, but me I don't get two prick na one me get. Because if na that one where me see, bro, you need operation. You might go play operation for small prick. May they do prick enlargement for you. They care where do you now get adults. We had you and no ya more again. Rita talk with Wagmo. No, may I call the Sagarita? Rita no man no me ni babo lawe gbe Wagmo no gbugbu e. No su Wagmo. Fake life go dey call people fake life. All I hear Kevin mana. O Wagmo na here. O Wagmo na here. A young boy like you ended up with this day. Egbegbe. Hey, Kevin Magbe, you not get stash for body. It is better for you to marry a woman that knows herself. Wait, born for one house than for you to go marry woman where you say fine, you not get stash for body. You don't born for different men. Can you change that fact? Can you use Kevin now to change to your son? It's not done. If you like, call Kevin your son from now till tomorrow. Kevin is not your son. Now your son for mouth is not your biological son. You that ended up with a very not frustrating in the webo. After many years in Europe. Eye Kevin not dead desperado. Show me a woman who don't use Ipikite look for man for this social media. What is social media for this Europe? Show me any woman where don't condescend so low like this Mama Kelvin. I be not be mad to take on who need bear. After that you know man now, you don't answer around. Now you can't dress in Peking. You can't tell Peking say, oh yeah, do ABD, not be ABD, not be Mama Kelvin because he asked for you and he married. You know, wagmo. You are bolang be. Why Facebook? You are very small. You can't hear who you are task of your table. God forbid if another person marry this kind of woman, where don't feel born for different houses. As it can't be you now, which is the best because why you don't get choice. No young girl will follow you because they don't say you don't get anything to offer, and you do not love this woman. You are there because of documents. You read my way, Rita, one presenter. You where you get fair blood for his ass. If not, why you never fit give this woman belly? Abiyechawe, Egimuna. Come tell us on Facebook, say, your prick not working. We're not balao. You will not get shame. Every presenter gets, yes, every presenter get the alpha body. But you're worst. Now let you want to be the presenter. Where the saga people, where prick don't come on social media. Yet, people still follow you. Senseless people. Depression people. You are not that depressed or Italian anyway. Imagine you were fast with Germany. Imagine you were fast with Turkey. Imagine you were fast with Austria. Everyone will Italy and Agmo Bene all anyway. But I'm careful what time of my You throw away prick, you fall for scooter. Everybody they drive scooter. Or so under the palao. After much frustration, you did not sit down to take treatment. You run out of the hospital. Near me to again. They took you. What can you do? I will have video. A muzzle. And one way, go. See woman Rita, beautiful, classy, fibroid woman we are. Ogoni a okeri na yana mu no work worry if I not care waiting men don't shop. They don't belle food. They come say take me they eat. All the boo or titi. If you hear Kevin, they good. Those men they don't live on. People like this woman, they don't gog. They don't make mistake for their life. Now you the content they correct their mistake now. Now your body, never mind Kevin for call the correct mistake. After it don't go flares. Yeah, you can't zanzowene. Or you so born to coordinate. Because he remi nothing, you know. You know, say, if you leave an old man go carry. You know the suffer when he suffer. Before, you can't give him attention. That's why they need down, they give you water, they drink. For your man, you're happy. And then, you can not get stress now. Oh, I have stress. If I brought it back, cook out by Yeki. What did this belly? No, now you win. I only more bug back. They could not use so now. Vore kona weti de this bele na kona weti de amamoru weya we send on me kono hu na mozo my send on me kono hu because the last time I checked proud mom Becky love not a winya amanwero God is this mama kevo e wana ma ye 2 years igba ye kevi yawa e yawa ni babo lawe gbe umaya bie no gugbo e what give Rita na mo man Rita no ya mwe e fibroid again agwa vie Kevin am fibroid again wo wa wagmo so na weti Rita they wish people na ya put to na okay that one way happen to you that time when that balloon na what you they wish me before na ya put to you confession swene you are not confessing directly that if you not tell my madam also do that way show me my shame and disgrace make I show you your shame and disgrace. I feel still qualified to contest for anything for this life. But you are not qualified to contest in anything. You will show your prick to the world. Mugu. You don't know, say if now you be Oibo, say you be Italo, you can't do your prick like that. You'll go prison for like 3 months or 4. Because children feel the watch that program that day. Una banua. After you say juju know the work. What make your small prick there outside today? Not be juju. You drink juju. Una banwa. Can you ever beat that kind of shame and disgrace? Wakpa balloon, wakpa banwa for 1 year. You experience these things. Kurita be left for me. If they still bring Kurita come out today. Oye mo se sona. Ona magbon. Ona ye na ari zigiri. Oma zedo ne ya go bia dono. Oye zigiri waf. Zigiri ba face bini ba chab. Ogwo gwa amozwo. Ah da face zigiri ba chab. Da face zigiri ba face. O da face zigiri va bola we gba. Aye zigiri o mo gbe mi ana. For men na yin gba be sexy. Na gwa bo aye Kevin ogugbu e. Ma gbon na here. My wife get fish. Oh yeah, be your money for 1 month. I'm also the new Kevin bien. You know what? The one we do. Total one water with their my children. Uta, holy. It be like your money. I tell you, no, say they not be your children. Total, now sit down. Make the form. My children. Children, we don't know that they born. Children wey you don't know how they take bon match their papas again yana you they form children away I form children no make careful okay they say go wetin egbo bobo you abo law egbe wa gbon what we kona you know wetin do this belle Mona share this video for me. Share this video. Alright.
Clap for yourself. Small girl will get fat bros. Clap for yourself. Come on, Enogie. You see, ma die me. Or my year over no can win. When the king down a cage, it go be the nice thing to do. If the atrocity and the shame and disgrace in your cage, it will become congratulations to Rita.
Yes. Now so it still be for you. Because if another person marry this guy, Zigiri baby, Zigiri. Or that one where you best Zigiri, you Kevin now. I know what you use the YC. But as it can't be you, it can't be Angel, it can't be Queen of England for your hair. Now so it be to you, my brother. Yes. So not judge her from the other side. Because if another person gets married to this kind of a woman who don't born for different men, you know, let that person rest. See you, mugu. Sometimes if they talk out of point. You think you saga me, but you saga yourself. You will look Mama Kevin way don't born for 4 different men. You say now you're angel. What my area? Person will don't go for 4 different men house. What my area? Then they call my wife Ashago. Woman way. Now me, she started the born for. From Nora to Etusa, and me get the 4 children. Washago no you paint your own white. You paint me black. Now they paint you black. Now they say why they paint you black? Uzwa. How that face Zigiri? Oh, that face Zigiri. Oh, go gbera. Babalawe gbera. When did day your body? You need operation. You are Mama Kevin. You need operation for Ekia. Iye Kevin need for whom? Because the Kwena Opologbe. If you did that video, you get those suffer, or you get those rapper, you rapper. Or you get those bala, yiki. I see my sexy wife, you are in. How that fake cleaner? Or that fake cleaner, or that fake not with the donison, or that fake Zigiri, or one bera. So, you look of filter. You stay on filter, pursue me for Bremen. And you know, say, I had 2 minutes to make but filter. But you were in support of a filter. You say, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. I want filter. A filter, when not the Bremen. Because you be friend. So, as he reached Rita told me, my friend, make a sagarana. What do you expect me to do? Is to wish her congratulations. The congratulations when me wish I pay you. What that way? Because they told me that way. If you not call the class, and he's 2 years on the agree. Because the same thing happens to you too. You will Lucas arrest. Lucas arrest. So he's a very beautiful woman. You say as arrest they enjoy for his side poverty. You say as arrest be the best. What are you doing? Because I'm your friend. But you know as arrest not be the best. So what did they tell me? Soon. Next time if you do this kind of saga, use and they compare yourself first. Yeah, compare it, boy. You are not a happy man. Every day you are you a happy man? No, you are not a happy man. Calling other people's children your children. Whereby you get preach, you not use the preach. Your honor to the suck wekus. Ekawe, esuwe. If your prick long, it get one something where you meet if your prick attack to two. It get one thing where your prick will meet inside. You know say yeah, you don't reach the end of that because you don't reach that part before. Might not go deep because you might be Uzua. You don't reach that part before. Ekiweta. Like you know Bolo who say you get where you go reach, eh? Because you never experience it once. As I talk and you say, they don't get tired. If I was there, they can say, "Way that one a pretty long." So get we. That's a you the thing go make that's you feel am say you don't reach the ending of that because woman when you make love to like that cannot leave you. Even if you not quarrel for 100 years, it not leave you. Somebody like this Zigiri woman, may God not let me sleep with Mama Kevin. Because not be kind of woman who will sleep with her, they happy. Say I sleep with woman. Maybe I don't drink now. Now we go now. Oh here, go peace, go squirt. Oh why here, big. The way you can here. The next one I'll feel where you kwa because there is life after sucking. Why suck up with or when you're in our way, not be every time suck. Sometimes they need that hot. That's what kind of love making way you make to woman. You look, you start to cry. The cow are here. Will not get her. Your pig be like 2 months. Now say you're the funny. Oh baby, that is mugu. That the fake scream for you. Thinking say you hit them. The fake scream for you. There is natural scream and there are fake scream. Now the mommy love and Becky do you because you say they do the hammer. Woman where they really collect, not go sit tight and they scream. You not go hear your voice again, but you go they shout, they scream. Before I go remove this my dread, then when I never know my wife, my ex for Belgium, he may remove the dread me. May we get dread. If they knock my way, now their dread is suffering. I am talking from experience. You don't understand your body system. You don't go hospital. Who hospital in Babola we? If you did knock Mama Kevin way, by now you Kevin for the bone. If your prick feel reach that thing, if you need on your plan or way, it can't wear a and you want come as a man, not move again. Come for inside that thing. Where who in there, be a guardian. You know the drag with you, no make you free am. There ye as a man. As the drag with you, make you free am. Not free am o mumu babola wegbe. Now that thing is sweet and pass. But they go the zugu. You nana as well. Mumu Jew, they are free eh. Egwe. And they expect my trees now in March. Whereas you are message to no give we. Hey, not give away the message to see that's why I am very careful when I'm outside. Because if I sleep with a woman, I must give you belly. A gift in no me. Since I not get document, I don't buy a blessing me. It went over baby, yeah, one more. That's all I be. Let it be making of love. You don't need to go spend 1 hour there. You don't need to spend 20 minutes, 15 minutes is okay. She not to suck to only. While la lue never okay. While la lue never finish. You have put you wako. You say baby thank you. Thank you Gbira. If you suck your wife, that will not be anything. But say you want to suck this one, they suck this one, they suck this one, it's not clear. None of my ass now go fit to say, Enogie, you suck me. If you did, I bet more draw my leg come aside. Or more use week I can't take talk and say, yes, when we date, you suck me. But if you are married to a woman, saying this one are your wife officially forever, you can suck her. But suck cannot be anything. Woman where you suck, you can't give her hot sex. If you not quarrel, 8 o'clock in the night house, no problem. You don't know what they make and verse. If you smart, you know say not be just because if they are assassins. And you know you are more. Carry fibroid put for us. Umega mo kuno one on fibroid. You can only ya we O mana taking me August September when you Enogie. Why we routine gwa ogbo e kia na do ago. The Facebook, my baba wey dey smile. The baba wey dey smile no matter way. No na way. Mugu ozuo egwe. Ovie kia we go seven way. Proud mom not talk am one say, "Who is the winner you na here?" When me kia Egbo enu gbe ye omozo Oh, who are suck away for 1 minute, worry. If you might not give you BJ now for 1 minute, you come. My will worry. Man at your BJ. We call again your wabujaha. A way. It's a gabba. Oh, where very now. Oh, man, your way. I the hospital no yagba boy. As you on social media no ati no dey. The saga Rita we don't free, abele don't free now. Give Rita 1 month, we see the way she come fine, flat to me. Cause even though you quite way okpa ne. We don't know me friend brother ale la no wa. Why we contact Ozuo egwe mogu. Akbaba bobo. Asungu. Bo lera wi yuegbe. Idigu na bere oyan nware yira wi yu ohun.
When the day of that person paid, now shame and disgrace. Wow, that's nice. I don't know, man. Go on now. You see this life not balance when I share this video. What was that? Hypocrisy, the world now.
Share this
Who go tell now the truth? Go be an enemy. That's why I'm not just my friend. Because I'm not an enemy. So tell me the truth about myself. Because I'm not tell you the truth. Because you now, you be friend to Rita Kokobiri.
Exactly.
So you can't tell Rita the truth.
Exactly. That's so same with you. You cannot tell Fyodor the truth. You cannot tell Fyodor, say if Enogie really see you, Enogie go really beat you for real, for real. But you say Fyodor go see me, go beat me. Is that not accolade? You dey give Fyodor accolade. You dey tell Fyodor say he pursue me for Bremen, and you know Fyodor no fit pursue me for Bremen, and you know that's not true. If they really want to make problem with me, they know against it. They'll come make problem with me for yeah. They want to really fight me. But you better. So why do you not expect me to saga with Rita? Do you think I look like you that does not know what's friendship? Do you think I look like you that does not know what friendship is all about? When no man at a friendship, who knew we're a friendship. Who is your friend on social media? Show me who is your friend. Apart from the one where they feel the control. Otuznaroye bisiri of your talk now your mouth for year. So sometimes if now they do this thing, go be like they forget yourself. A park wish my wife congratulations for document which they give her 4 years ago. You say now all of us I say they give her. No, now my wife they give document. Now a park can wish my wife congratulations. How is that your business? How is that your? You not say me a park not be friend. But what block you in WhatsApp?
Say you are an enemy now. If I come better, now get that bros go remove. I come better get that bros. That one you your day, but that is better than 5 bros better. That one did it. If I go better, go do 5 bros remove better remove boom so. How? Enogie, you for two go beat and go better today, sir. How? 6 years that matter gonna finish for your mouth.
Why no beat a better if na better? Tell me why no beat her. Person where they look for my downfall. Person where they pray for me to fail. I can't see her for that condition. Why no sagara? And anyway, quick bar. Why they talk as if you they knew the entire cyber space? For your man, I will sagana here. No, I pray me no saga better. I pray me no saga better. If na me better no saga me. If na me better no saga me. No wa going to allow it.
And you know, me and you know, if na go better,
exactly.
If na to worry, na get 5 bros.
Yes, I'll sagana.
If na to worry the 5 bros presenter now, oh God, when you women know,
Nivabola we bomozwo. If na Dominique carry this condition, you go sagara. A question I'm asking for my fans. We no understand you. If na Dominique go do this kind of thing, or Aviele no wa, ni supermarket beggar, or na as arrest go do this kind of thing, will you come out to talk about it? Shebi you come back with your congratulations. So what are you saying? The Nugitana? So somebody with me and not get problem. Me I Sagara because she go do fibroid. Where it be say fibroid dey with you for SARS. Owagu eru wa me no ahia me fibroid here. Gun agbera. Wa sun gunu gba no ari agun. Abo lara you egbe. Dan.
Oh, turubeke. You go to beat a go better. Every you forget say you the use on the mock man wife say she get fibros.
She get. Now be this one so what they show you so. Almost what my boy she get. Oh man. Why you use our belly say get belly? We not get belly. On have fibros. If you get. Yeah, tell me. It says yeah. He get. What you love a lucky video na me wa he get. Oh man. Not be joke, not be lie. Say I want you. Oh man, he get her. That's why I called the tech with Rita yesterday. She's not supposed to say it out because of you and Dominic cannot filter. No, we can't filter. Because these two people, they get all say nyamana tie biebamo till now. Una get you get. Not be joke. As well. Anyway.
You forget the standard what you do when you mock my wife, say my wife get fibros.
He get.
Now you can't see the presenter when just get the fibros. You call the right congratulations to them.
No, Jima Vegboti Gradaze. The reason why I wish my darling Queen Rita congratulations is because she's my friend and not my enemy. If she's my enemy, that one for be different case entirely. As far as she's my friend, she has never hurt me in any way. Neither have I hurt her in any way. So what do you expect me to do? Now for me to just come back on the saga Queen Rita, it pay you. You can't be at me. You can't be me. The matter. What you now? If not you now, what you now? Wow, I'm going to be when I turn up for me, why am I?
You want saga my wife? You say my wife get fibros. When I sit down, they say I beg. When I sit down, nobody talk.
Who they tell me I beg? The one why we bona. So almost the way to every go the saga one person, I go the beggar. Una we be fans. I go few work bisha. I go watch it to down wa few work in Facebook na. Well ma, wow. It be why so raw, not be all. Una some of na way they follow almost wazua. And wa it don't fit. Almost what you want talk now we want okay. We know it na Kurita no dey alive. Kurita ragma. Me we dey talk to meragma. A lot. Marriage, you don't know how it do marriage. You say don't do marriage. People they talk for media. I hear we marriage now in a barrier. Everywhere was silent. Now this mugu, they make up this zingiri babe on their wedding day. Ozola no guana gomozo. Now make up this zingiri. You make up a zingiri. All the money you see on Facebook, mama till the €100 or €200 no man I make copy Kevin. Why? Why did you do that? Because it don't feel born for different men, so the marriage not be anything. That's why we call that Atilogun dance. Because we not see where they for ask you or ask Mama Kevin, may they shop the food where your Obelego family break on him. But lawa being was song. Almost were fans. I men really let you know Zua. Yeah, work be they be highest mugu. That's why I say get one more boy the follow. Say na my brother him be. I think my brother won't boy. Mugu. Away.
You understand? This guy's mother. I'm not the guy bed put. You understand? Enogie. Instead when you cover your mouth, not your talk.
The mad.
You for just keep quiet. You for not your talk.
Wasu. Man, keep quiet for who? You wait to wait preach. Me we never to wait preach. Who supposed to keep quiet between me and you? Man, who where? Don't not take no keep it quiet in about loud way. You're supposed to keep quiet between me and you. Are you not supposed to keep quiet for me? Based on say me never throw away my prick. You don't even have respect for your seniors. I senior you for age. I senior you for live video. I senior you for prick they never throw away. My self-dignity is intact. My steam is now 100. My self-composure on 100. You didn't mad. They create. Must everybody see your prick before you call the answer from Komozwo? Egwegwe abi odawe uma untala dia. Man, not talk. Sake of say who you be. How when you na gwana gwabira pasun.
Or no, to say you want to use and saga that person. You came out categorically to saga my wife. Say my wife get fibroids.
Which wife?
Now, your lady now come get fibroids. You look my wife from head to toes. Compare with yours, how they say we get belly. You don't know my fibroids problem because someone say yes.
Even if my wife get fibroids today, she don't born 4 children for one man. What about Zigiri babe? Zigiri babe, where you go carry where they speak Benin. Where you say now from my Motel family. No wow, and I go fee. This one a woman. Saluba beg may not be because in a saga. Imu. Yeti wa away, but yeti married Bomavina. Even if my wife get fibroid, or yeah, be no easy. She wants to even born on that one again. 6 children, not that many years. Where they Facebook in Watalo, Mameti Mekunuku. We are at a law. Your way, they say, on me. You can be say, Eriko Rowell. Eriko de Mama Kevia. Yeah, I book with me and I was the big Hariavi. Mugu. Ozo. Away. Wagwan away in the boy. You know, you think. You know why I will know what? Congratulations to Rita again. He may have got that video now.
You don't know. Inflation people say you're waiting for his house. Now,
even if he gets that I'm good, or yeah, bien, or one around me, but he use that table for one man. The one where they call wife, but for different men. Yeah, every blessed day. How they remember una history, una gist. Before you talk down on people, check yourself. Zigiri baby no yamu on my fibroid on my pass one. I pass one swear o. Na ba lawe gbe no gbo e. Nsun no ma ba lawe gbe na gwabera wa bijua.
You look my wife from head to toes, go from my head to her toes. Look your wife.
Which wife?
Where is small picking?
Which wife?
Where you know who they presentable pass?
Which wife? Which wife na gwabwa? Which wife? You be mumu, you know your guesses at all. You be mugu. You be waiting, you be mugu. Now let me and my wife, they train children, 4 children, and all of them are they still the babies. My wife will still dress, come outside, even on our wedding day, we will do for his house for you. Or you must, or you classy. Bezuo atawe Enogie see my wife from method wife you never give belle woman wey no fit give belle woman wey they use prick of 2 months till they sleep with out your wife webu a woman that has no shame, a woman that was able to use his own son to look for your hand in marriage. Hello.
Hello, Pastor.
Hey,
I'm on your speaker.
okay. No, in there. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Eh. Eze yo eh. Mumu Oswald, ewe. One better now. Owe, if another person go marry this kind of person, why is a saga eh? Why is a saga eh? You jealous me every day. You tell. If you marry, may God don't let you marry somebody like my wife because I wa. They ran it when you be doing yeah. And me can't go marry this thing. Waiting for use my ass. See. Not a reason why you know is Zua. Now is Zua. You were waiting for single girl when you want marry when you fit to live the kind of life we don't get to live. Mamie, now you end up with to not be a there. Still on the tell me say you be big boy. I think be big boy in the Bible. Ow. Why if we don't go for different husbands? If we not move, not the shame.
That one, one side. I don't want you to use my wife. Follow you to do competition, man. And don't get you comments for social media. Say my wife get fibros.
You get her now.
Okay, now.
Why did they pay you? Almost war. You get her. I mean my way now. Not be pregnant woman. They use her whole belly like this. Okay, if you get belly, where the belly now? Where the belly now? Remember, March 2nd, now we'll tell the counter they follow you, say you do at Ilogun dance. So every March 2nd, though, Pekin never still fall out, eh? Where be I be they put your prick for mat, they can put your mat for prick. So that they use the mat, they do saga your prick. They use the mat where you supposed to give them a belly. Are you anything else changing no way? They can put your mat for your prick. They can't put your prick for your mat. That's why you don't give woman belly. Because if they not do all these things, you suppose don't still give this woman belly. Choke apart. That's soon we are going.
Unless the man is a fibrous presenter, she go do fibrous for auto. She remove womb, remove belly, remove fibrous. You can't come out for social media this morning. Come the right congratulations to Rita, the fibrous presenter. You can't forget that that's a fibrous. Now you just saga my wife.
Kai.
So my wife get fibrous.
This thing pain now. I dey tell now. If my heart dey meet on Oswald, you know they talk that moment. If you can't see something where resemble that thing, or the aka. How many times you want to come? I say your woman get fibroid. You buy what they da. If the thing that they pay you on Oswald, why you call it talk? He get. Maybe this. Evidence of proof. Evidence of proof. Wow, soon Wagmo.
When you come see you get fibroid, now because you be your fans, or you be our fans, you call the clap man for him. They congratulate for the disease.
A disease of
a
disease of the one on market the carry not be disease. If you don't have disease, you don't go remove the disease now. But you can go river. Wago, see mat, see my market with mat. See here. See wagi. Ibrezak bira go bokpa. E na wago wanna go media wagi ya. Sometimes he say you why because I wago you wa. Wagi see person.
For the communicable disease, for the disease, we should go remove for hospitals.
Na fibroid do, but almost will say fibros because why? I'm fear. My school, it can't even construct a sentence. I know how many times I do saga and say, maybe I can read for live video. No can read. Reading saga. No can read. I do TB. But the paper where they want read so, you flip the camera out so that they look what you read. Maybe still flip my own. I'll go right. Okay, Franco Moswell, I want to give you an assignment now. May we write essay. May we write letter to our fans who they watch us. Starting from today. I will do my own after this live video now. This assignment, no, not tell me say no do one. So that may I know if you did learn like me. May I know if you did educated like me. So that I am more boy, I'll know say yes, at the saga person will still go school. Francomozo, write an essay to your fans. Tell them how much you love them in a constructive English language letters. Adjectival clause is not needed. Adjectival clause is not needed. Know when to put adjectival clause. Remember the adjectival clause. Adjectival verb. Know when to put hyphen, dot, comma, and the rest of that. Then people who still go school they can't call results. Umana warning. Illiterate in here. Hello. What talk me?
Enogie Baba Prof. What talk me? Now we may do I stop a voice idiot in and play this Odafe a great grandmother.
Okay.
You may do it because a voice of why irritating, you understand. Who come in here, so come and do say about the Sinai or in your company, may I do we go and get what you are not here dear with book. If I brought your monster, none of this is your power. I have already put a body and movie would be who would come away. Why I integrated with? Then I go in a few and I'm not making my agent language school moving by
ever more, ever what was the doctrine?
We make a nature of the talent language in our move with Simina. You can do what you can be here for them away. You can be all we know
because I'm more fear there.
Can be where you are very useless, so you can know what she's doing. Oh, condemn you a life. For the market, no to go and be going to language school. No, I ask it hello about Bobo. Ah, Umaya came up with about nobody can tell her down with you. How will you back? Ah, Umaya,
I will.
Umaya, no can you.
So call us up to make careful. That's how will you? How will you?
Because Okonoti be a fast for me. Mama can be stressed. You can be a problem. Almost will be a problem because they can't go. But it's funny, almost already, my brother. I can't finish. What are you saying? I don't need to when you make it now. No, make it now. They not strong. You don't want to reach out. I don't know you will say, imagine, or my wife with 2 hours in a lalo. 2 hours in our work. A Betty will work with 2 hours. Because of a Kiama, a Kiofito, a Kiama strong, walk back away, follow, a Kiawa strong. Where do you call local for 30 minutes or 20 minutes?
I'm 30 minutes straight down.
Why, but the day I go back on way out, we are not alone at that way. Who will you? Now you, Baba with the moon, Baba, now you, Baba with the smith, now you, Baba with the smoke, Baba with a carrier, when we are just Talia school. A language we are joining the egg, because your chef they shame me as I listen to that voice when you don't get a play. Well, there you go. If I brought the Miami, we have to some a five brother. Don't go no one I'm aware in 2013. They will go. I will before about to do a call.
Okay.
If we type about me before I may have it, on up yet more.
Okay.
A protection you pay when you are. On your side of the other stop in a beer. I'm Uma when you cause any Kiawe, Sako, making the stomach Piala, a stomach Piala with Boko. Who are Nick when you see and for many? Odafe great grandmother. Odafe great very small thing. I got oh, I said a better, I had to get to my feet, nobody, yes, sir. What a better way. Also, no, we are very useless child. Any movement we talk in my way. We were moving. First day, very so plepicky. Odafe great grandmother. Why are you all Why sugar?
Where's he? If I know me, I will stop. You call her nothing, me at it. Most of she understand me. So if you dey like, not the fee say you be one can. The way people say they watch you, and the way your callers say they call in, now different thing entirely. Now you don't know what it. When man you where as where who was you? If you want to hear the truth, come to my platform. Hello. 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 Mobile network is not available. Hey, network. Oh. You wouldn't make me voice away. Me why would be very fancy me? Because you had the marriage me. We know one I'm more fina. Or so can't hear the truth from my platform. Don't make the truth to the platform. You can call me on WhatsApp. I don't know what's wrong with my direct line. You can call me on WhatsApp. You feel me? So you can't listen to the truth from my platform. You make a night and learn. Because the way you take day, the way you behave, the way you do things, sometimes I imagine say, "Ona me wa with saga." You get people where you talk to, you know say yes, I don't give you assignment now. Bloggers, what you want get, maybe you write an essay letter to our fans and tell them how much you love them. Hello.
Hello, bro. Good morning, bro.
Good morning. I did live video.
No, I beg. We your fans. We want to competition now.
Okay.
The competition we want to be say, you and Frank, when you start to born your children, and when you start the day with Mama Nora for house. Okay. Then Frank will still bring you home to when Mama can start the born for her, and when Mama can start the stay for the same house.
Yeah, man.
We need that. And in fact, not even bring her. We give her 1 week to bring her. In fact, not bring her. Anything when you talk for live video again now as well.
Yeah, man. Frank, where you are? Yeah, you say me for see Kevin Belle bring where Kevin de Belle.
They say my children, so we need them. When you're fast, we need them. Okay. We need that one.
Okay. Many challenges they come. All my fans was one tire. All my lovers was one call it.
Another to me one has no vessel. I say Mama Kevin already get a year for us. Like grandchildren. Then what did the grandchildren want to call Frank now? Now that one me want to know because Frank now that one not be the age mate. No. What did the children for us want to call Frank now? Daddy or grandpapa? What did they want to call?
Semi daddy, semi step grandfather, semi daddy. Everything about the children are semi.
We want to know that one, and he gave video when Mama Sonia said beat Frank for TikTok and he beat Frank and his wife.
Are you for it?
I will show you see that video.
Oh, say that for me.
No, I'll go look for the video.
Please, I need that shit. What
did
they? I need that.
No, if I see the video, I'll send that for you.
All right, we'll see, Kaka. We'll see. Okay, your Muslim. Ave mumu lovers in New York. Here they depressing, but they don't tell you the truth. They don't tell you the truth. Here I get more fewer, but they are just supporting you me for the saga me. And the saga will not get what you want to do me. I know the fear your saga. Come son. Awa. You not get what you want to saga me give for this life. All of you now for this social media. Egiro. Was one atire competition was one now. Okay, to agbo. Hello. Okay. Easy, didn't send it, didn't pay. Oh! Great Enogie lovers. Great Enogie lovers. Hello.
Hello, investor Enogie. I greet you. I want beg. I beg. May all of us maybe go on to get. I don't need to go Frank. No, you are Turkey. No, you we prick enlargement.
Iye me
enlargement. Please. I know so na get saga, but may we still mix anything.
We no belly go fast okay. We are
we €1 no. We to naira no. We $1. We get donated ne.
We you go. Yagba we gbe.
Yes, we go register and go Turkey. They do one. Yeah, large kiaveva. Yeah, large brokos.
Mata.
Yeah, large. Okay. Then here Kevin. Wala wo. If I brought the Noreko, you know go let am come out because he the day he work with ne. So if they want come out, not good. So we need to still donate small money for her. No ya wow. After one on Muhiani. One eye day left, one eye day forehead. Make she for still go correct the eye because only all the way look me, I look you. Hey, Kevin. Frank, you were the carry Kevin, my son, my children. Your prick. Ekiawe, 18 we kono.